Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the structure of ice. After that we study van der Waals force and metallic bond. Now here structure of ice and water, the solid form of water is known as ice. Here oxygen atomic number 8, 2, 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 and outermost set 2s, 2p4 and 4 electron, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 electron. Here this is a one water molecules. It attached 4 water molecule. Here one, here one, and this is one. With the help of hydrogen bonding due to electronegativity, here develop the partial positive charge. Here this is a positive charge, so that H water molecule attached to 4 different water molecule in the ice form, and here प्रत्येक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल अन्य 4 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के साथ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाता है। देखिए यहाँ जो है यह जो है एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, एक हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड है, एक हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड है, एक यह और एक यह 4 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के साथ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाता है और अपने कोई एक टेट्राहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री अरेंज कर लेता है। बॉन्ड के अंतर्गत कुछ स्पेस रह जाता है। बॉन्ड जब बनाता है और टेट्राहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री फॉर्म हो जाता है तो उसमें जो है कुछ स्पेस रह जाता है। इस स्ट्रक्चर को ओपन केज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कहते हैं। इसलिए आइस की डेंसिटी वाटर की डेंसिटी से कम होता है। आइस की डेंसिटी वाटर की डेंसिटी से कम होने के कारण, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि जाड़े के दिनों में पहाड़ी क्षेत्रों में जब टेम्परेचर बहुत कम हो जाता है तो तालाब या पोखरे के पानी जो ऊपरी सतह पर आता है ठंडा होता है तो वह बर्फ में परिणित हो जाता है और परिणित होने के बाद से जो है वह इस टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर बना लेता है। स्ट्रक्चर जब बनाता है तो उसमें जो है कुछ स्पेस रह जाता है जिससे उसका आयतन बढ़ जाता है। आयतन बढ़ जाने के कारण जो है आइस की डेंसिटी कम हो जाती है और तालाब या पोखरों में बर्फ ऊपर तैरने लगता है, जिससे मछलियां या जलीय जीव पोखरा या तालाब के निचले सतह पर चले जाते हैं और जीवित रहते हैं। तो इस तरह की जो घटना होती है आइस में वह जो है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग के कारण होता है। हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग प्रत्येक आइस के मॉलिक्यूल अन्य 4 मॉलिक्यूल से जुड़कर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाते हैं। इस तरह लेकिन सामान्य ठोस अवस्था में किसी पदार्थ की डेंसिटी उसके लिक्विड अवस्था से अधिक होती है। जनरल ऐसा हम लोग जानते हैं कि जब ठोस से द्रव में परिणित होगा तो उसका आयतन जो इंक्रीज कर जाएगा, लेकिन वाटर के साथ जब वाटर कन्वर्ट इनटू आइस, सच टाइप ऑफ कंडीशन डोंट होल्ड। अतः वाटर आइस में इस तरह की घटना हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग के कारण होती है और इसी के आधार पर हम लोग मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, डेंसिटी, विस्कोसिटी, सॉल्युबिलिटी आदि फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी को हम लोग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। नाउ अब हम लोग वांडर वाल फोर्स के बारे में अध्ययन करेंगे। नाउ वांडर वाल फोर्स, interaction force exists among the molecules is called the van der Waals force. Interaction force exists among the molecule is called van der Waals force. This force is a weak force. Strong interaction exists in the ionic bond, covalent bond, and in this case bond energy is greater than 200 kilojoule per mole, but weak interactions, hydrogen bonding, van der Waals force. Now in the hydrogen bonding, bond energy less than 42 joule per mole, whereas van der Waals force bond energy less than 8 kilojoule per mole. Here we see that in case of van der Waals force, that bond energy is small, that is a weak. It is now type of van der Waals force. This force can be categorized, divided into the 5 categories. It is divided into 5 categories, and here first category, ion dipole interactions. In this case, ion dipole interactions, ion means now ion dipole interactions. Here ion means cation or anion, and dipole means polar. Now cation and anion, here in this case chlorine, and polar, we take polar hydrogen chloride. In this case, partial positive charge develop here, and this is a negative. Due to this, there exist interactions. This interaction is known as van der Waals force. And we take another example like sodium chloride dissolve in the water, then that structure like here sodium and water exists surrounding the sodium in this type. In this case, now ion dipole interactions. In this case, van der Waals force is greater among the 5 categories of the van der Waals force. Now we take second type of van der Waals force, dipole interaction. Now first ion dipole interaction, second dipole interaction. Dipole means polar molecule, and here this is dipole and polar molecule. Polar molecule, just we take an examples, hydrogen and chlorine. Here in this case, here negative charge develop, here positive, and among this exists force. That force is van der Waals force, and this force is known as dipole-dipole interaction force. It is less than ion dipole moment. Now third, ion induces dipole interactions. Here ions we take here one ion bromine induce dipole interactions. It means that this is a non-polar molecule, non-polar, and H2O2 N2. This is a non-polar molecules, and with the help of ions develop here partial positive charge and negative charge, and here a small force exists. This force is called ion induced dipole interaction, and if we take cation sodium NO2 here, such type of this condition hold in this case. Now fourth, dipole induced dipole interaction. Dipole means polar molecules induces dipole, यानी नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल है. इसमें जो है इस पोलर मॉलिक्यूल के कारण जो है इंटरेक्शन उत्पन्न होता है. जैसे जो है पोलर मॉलिक्यूल HCl है, नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल Cl2N2H2. So that due to this here partial negative charge develop, here positive, and due to positive and negative here exist interaction among the molecules. That is a van der Waals force. And last is instantaneous dipole induced dipole interactions. It means that instantaneous डाइपोल यानी नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल है, यह बहुत क्षणिक बहुत कम समय में डेवलप होता है. इंस्टेंटेनियस इंड्यूसेस डाइपोल, दिस इज ए नॉन पोलर. ड्यू टू दिस देयर एग्जिस्ट ए फोर्स. नाउ वी टेक हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल हियर. एज यू नो दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. Now in the molecular orbital theory, the space where electrons are finding, that space is known as orbitals, and let us suppose that at any times electron are exist here in these positions, then in another side to develop partial positive. Due to this, another molecule H2 in front of this develop induce negative, and in back side positive. Due to negative and positive there exists a instantaneous interactions. This force is known as London force. This force is also called the London force, as we know that according to strength of force, according to strength of force, according to strength of force, the force one ion dipole moment, that force is greater than. Second, this is dipole interactions. This force is also greater than. Ion induces dipole interactions. Third, this is also greater than. Dipole induces dipole interaction. Fourth, and this is also greater than. Instantaneous dipole induces dipole interactions. It means that ion dipole interaction is greatest force among these 5 category of van der Waals force. Now we discuss some problem here. Now here some problem. Compare van der Waals force. In this case, as we see that ion dipole interactions, this force is greater than the dipole interactions, also greater than ion induces dipole, also greater than polar non-polar, and also greater than non-polar and non-polar. With the help of this van der Waals force, we compare here. Here is a first question. This is a chloride ions, and this is a polar molecule. This is bromide and non-polar molecule, and O2O2. This is a non-polar and non-polar molecules. Here chloride ion and polar molecules. This force exists, and this is a ion and non-polar molecules, and this is a both are non-polar molecules. It means that van der Waals force of one here. One is greater than 2, greater than 3. Here we see that van der Waals force of first is ion and polar molecule, ion and non-polar molecule, and non-polar and non-polar molecules. Here this and non-polar this is a greater than this, so that actual order of this is here. First is greater than second, is greater than third. Now second problem here. In this case, second problem here, HCl. This is a dipole interactions. HCl, dipole. This is a polar molecules, and this is the ion. This is the ion and non-polar molecules, and this is a H2HBr non-polar molecules, and polar molecules, non-polar molecules, and non-polar molecules, and polar molecules, and this is the polar and polar, this ion and non-polar, this, and this is the non-polar and polar molecule, so that van der Waals force of first is also greater than second, is also greater than third. In this case, we compare the van der Waals force on the basis of this series. Now third question. Here is a three container, first, second, third and fourth, and each container has non-polar molecules here, and here we compromise, here we compare the polar, non-polar and ions, cation and anions, but in this case both molecule is non-polar molecules. When such type of condition holds, then we see that van der Waals force we see on the basis of molecular weight. On the molecular weight, if van der Waals force, in this case we compare, because H is the non-polar molecules, then we see, we calculate the van der Waals force on the molecular weight. Here molecular weight of the iodine is greater, then bromine is greater, then chlorine is greater than fluorine, so that van der Waals force first is less than second, is less than third, is less than fourth. It means that van der Waals force of fourth is greater than this and this and this. Now, on the basis, as we know that boiling point is also with respect to van der Waals force, it means that boiling point of iodine is greater in comparison to the bromine, in comparison to the chlorine, and in comparison to the this. So that boiling point is also greater, so van der Waals force greater, and this found in the solid state. Sometimes we ask why fluorine and chlorine is gas, bromine is liquid, where the iodine found in the solid state, so that we discuss the such type of problems on the basis of van der Waals force due to larger or greater van der Waals force of iodine is found in the solid state, and bromine is found in the liquid state. Such type of problem to ask us. Now, problem, compare the boiling point of noble gas, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. As you see that this is a zero group elements, and we go down from top to bottoms. Molecular weight is increasing, and weight is increasing. Van der Waals force is with respect to molecular weight. If molecular weight is increasing, then the van der Waals force also increasing, so that van der Waals force of radon is greater than the xenon, greater than krypton, xenon greater than argon, greater than neon, and greater than helium, so that boiling point is also radon is greater than xenon. Actual boiling point order will be helium less than neon, less than argon, less than krypton, less than xenon, less than radon. In this case, and I see that van der Waals force is proportional to the molecular weight. Proportional to molecular weight, या boiling point is proportional to van der Waals force, so that van der Waals force greater, boiling point is greater, and now we take some other problems here. Now fifth question, normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane, their molecular formula C5 and H12, these are isomers. Here compare the van der Waals force, type of interaction same in cases, molecular weight is also same. Then we check the surface area. Due to this, surface area of this is greater in comparison to this, so that van der Waals force of normal pentane is greater than isopentane, is greater than neopentane. Greater than neopentane in first, greater than second, greater than third. Now boiling point also in order to this, and exception case, compare van der Waals force and boiling point here, HF, HCl, HBr and HI, and we see that HF या HN या HO में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है, जिसके चलते जो है फोर्स ऑफ इंटरेक्शन जो इंक्रीज कर जाता है, सो दैट HF है hydrogen bonding, so that total force of this is greater than this, so that HCl में van der Waals force के साथ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है, जिसके कारण ये van der Waals force and boiling point of HCl less than HBr, less than HI and less than HF. This comes here, and in the similar things, water has also hydrogen bond, so that van der Waals force of this is greatest among these, and this comes to at these positions here. The order of van der Waals force and boiling point, H2S less than H2SE, less than H2T, less than H2O. And now we take another example. Now compare van der Waals force AlCl3, aluminum chloride, AlBr3, AlI3, MgCl2, MgBr2, MgI2, BCl2, BBr2, BEI2, LiCl2, LiBr2 and LiI2. And according to the molecular weight, van der Waals force of AlCl3 less than AlBr3 less than AlI3, because the molecular weight of this is greater, so that according to molecular weight, MgCl2 less than MgBr2 less than MgI2, due to presence of iodine or bromine. Here molecular weight is this is greater than this, so that molecular weight के अनुसार जो है van der Waals force is such that this is wrong, यह गलत है. But actual order of van der Waals force here, 4 एटम लिथियम, बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम के हाइलाइट के लिए van der Waals फोर्स को हम बॉन्ड पोलरिटी के आधार पर चेक करते हैं. इसमें जो है ये 4 ऐसे एलिमेंट, ऐसे एटम है जिनके हाइलाइट के लिए हम van der Waals फोर्स जो है बॉन्ड पोलरिटी के आधार पर जो है इसकी गणना करते हैं. so that according to bond polarity, the AlCl3 van der Waals force of AlCl3 greater than AlBr3 greater than AlI3. Similarly, MgCl2 greater than MgBr2 greater than MgI, and such type of, this is the actual order of van der Waals force. As well as you know that the boiling point is also with respect to the van der Waals force, so that boiling point of AlCl3 greater than AlBr3 greater than AlI3, MgCl2 greater than MgBr2 greater than MgI2, and similarly this. Now last, metallic bonding. The bonding which exists between metal is called the metallic bonding. Metal form the lattice, and metallic bond can be explained with the help of electron C models. Now this is a metals, and when the metallic lattice is formed, the metals atom loses their electron and forming the positive charge ion, which are known as kernel. That positive charge is known as kernel, and this kernel can be considered to be deep in the sea of the electron, so it is known as electron sea model. Since the electrons are free to move in metals, so metals is a conductor. Each metal ion to be bounded by electrons, so melting point and boiling point is greater, and the electron C changes their positions. Now like, subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.